no matter what they say, keep shining like you do. Your smile is so beautiful, you light up everywhere. You don't even know to me how much you mean to us.
Good morning.
You are
It's a
shining star.
Yes, sir. Hey, that's why. Okay. Is it I want to say? Okay. Okay. Am I checking it like that?
Yeah.
Okay. So, the grape we na some, you know. I had a full scene. But I said, oh, Ben, right? My morning will take you over.
Oh, no, me and she will feel.
Oh, that's good. That's good. That's good. Okay, that's it. It's if I can see so much. Okay.
No matter what they say, keep shining like you do. Your smile is so beautiful, you light up everywhere. You don't even know how much you mean to me, how much you mean to us. You are a shining star.
Me a gangster in the street. And yes, I'm moving. Papa, dear. And we now we know. We now we hiding.
And say, Mamma, me pay looking back to crying. Oh,
I'm not going to Babylon as a
medium be who say, me shit at it.
Oh, Jimmy, here. Allow me like my young boy, trust me.
From me, shit.
Hey, and the woman only permitted was a tree. Okay,
and I do one family. See you bet to me.
Now, don't mean to me now.
Me said, and I'm in some.
I love the vibe, and it's a vibe.
Hey, Mammy, besides, a friend, my friend is saying, is it? Oh, I am the
Cedric.
Aha.
Yeah, I love it. Oh, Charlie, and now can you say? Since I'm in one or cram say, when you may walk cry, but or check it through on say salary in Tino or Konoakoye. It's been almost 4 days now. My friend, I'm in Sankano, like me in Sankano, my training numbers or numbers too, my train numbers Nimina still now. Minim de ekoso
e kona on pick and say
number ne nkompo enko wo fra enko ono so mpe number bi am frame say okodu ne okodu say na ekwa na say na eko
na be one pa
na me de na me
say de we say hu nti no at least say
o lie bi any but at least so akodu kona say adwuma na sete a ma menche nka o ji mi kodu lie bi say na lie bi say menche nka menche hwe o su senior mind me gangster ne me minim lie bi e ko o me cho no
because 4 days on one pa impo say a settler man anka isinka wa fe
see time me just why John line no so on frame me John line why no
obi me ko ho me na me ko tama wana say o kwa ko tama me
na za asimudi aka fi inside answer na eba say wa o lie baby team ma catch you say me music na be future me music na future money hwe scam be mo di ni wiase we no enye 50 100 10 50 100 10 na be mo mabu relax it
one ye do obe da osisi a o de be say de bi na me to
o yes how ma me feel my gotalu obi abie gold so a kire oda
o gold ni bi
obi abie gold so a kire oda sem oni me ko ba bi na say u ku cho na say o kai me na ma me sign why
eh o de ya
mama ko Baby, what am I doing for?
Oh, they're being
close down with me at all times. Take me up against the sky, she'll be there, waiting for me, and endless love behind. More than you know, more than you could ever know. I love you, I love you, I love you. More than you know, more than you could ever know. I love you, I love you, I love you.
Lay down. Chill. It's okay. Just lie down. Lie down.
What am I doing here?
You're in the hospital.
What are you doing here?
Surgery.
What happened?
Be calm. You got knocked out by a car. That's why you're going with you. Okay.
Wait.
Sorry.
Wait. How?
Lie down. I'll tell you everything you need to know. I'll tell you everything. Just lie down.
What happened?
Is your head aching? You try to get up. Lie down. Please go in here too.
So what happened?
I told you were knocked down by a car. The driver brought you in. And I happen to know you. Is there any part of your body you hurt? Are you okay? Don't get her. Serge, lie down. Just be calm. You're in good hands, okay?
Which hospital? Where's
What do you need the road to me for?
where's C? I need to call C.
Lie down. When you're fit, you can call them. Okay? Why are you in a rush? Should I go?
His soul is one.
Alright. So then you're okay. I will come back home. Okay. Now, the nurse in the name of Tonte. Why are the town fifty and I will toss us about the crying? And I'm going to say, "Put me one and I will soon know." That is good. Now, what did he?
Bachelor, I know about it.
Oh, okay. Tell you I know how. Okay, and from one of them, right? To the Messama, right?
Season passing the sorry, and but I know.
His soul is one.
How was work?
I was tiring as usual.
Sorry.
Guess what?
What happened?
I was on duty today and then I just saw an ambulance coming through. There was an emergency. Then to my surprise, do you know who that was?
No.
Cedric.
What?
He got knocked down by a car. Then he's unconscious, so I had to take care of him.
Wow. You know what? I'm sorry about that. But you see how God works? You see how God works?
He's fighting for his life.
That's not what I'm talking about.
What are you talking about?
The fact that you guys have come back together again.
Please, I'm tired, yeah. Let me go inside.
This boy had to marry him now. Honestly.
Where are you going?
So
where are you going? Where are you off to?
I'm coming.
Where?
I'll be back.
I'm looking good. Alright, see you. Why'd you ask?
Nothing, man. Couldn't you get a doctor to come and inject me?
You want to be attended to by a different nurse or something? I don't know.
Are you insane or something? Why have you tagged me? Why have you tagged me?
Because you had your way. No, don't stress. Because you can't untie yourself. Are you tired already?
Is this some freaky? What are you trying to do? Are you trying to do some freaky next level? What are you doing?
This is 50 Shades of Grey.
50 what?
Shades of Grey.
What? You come to kill me?
I will waste my time on you.
Just release.
Would you keep quiet?
Release the ropes. I don't like this play. Like what? I'm uncomfortable. My hands are tied. Like what are you trying to do?
You thought you had your way with me, so you're good. You're done, right? Alright. I have you now.
Huh?
So
what? What are you going to do? You're joking, right? You're joking.
I'm not going to kill you.
Ah! Put it down, please. Please put it down.
So,
Naya,
stretch your legs. Please don't stress me on this.
hey, what are you doing? Stop. No, Naya, no.
I am going to cut your dick off.
You're not what?
Ibu, she want to left and right. One also the need to show what you we are see at least 3 days also far back now.
Wait.
Calm down. I'm not going to hurt you.
I know. I just.
You need it.
Naya, hold up. Be patient with me.
Can I have it? Please.
Can you get a doctor to do it?
Why can't I do it?
I don't know. I just.
Can I?
Look,
I have other patients to attend to, so can you just make it snappy?
I'm scared.
Scared of what?
You should go and attend to them.
I've been taking care of you since you came here, so what are you scared of?
Just Go and inject Adatsi.
Just
Hey, no. I still don't know how to thank you.
You don't have to. I'll just do my job.
Honestly, I do. You're doing my job, but you dedicated extra time to me.
Don't feel any special though. I'll do that for anybody.
I don't think you sit by a patient for 2 nights. You think I didn't know? The doctor asked me the last time if I knew you, and I had to pretend I don't.
He did?
Don't go and ask him.
No, I won't do that.
Because it looks like the other nurse has been wanting to come, and he says you keep telling her that you take care of me.
Oh, so Grace told him.
Why are you doing all this for me?
I needed to make sure you're okay. That's it. I told you don't need to thank me. Yeah.
I don't think it has changed. Nah.
Sorry?
Honestly, how I felt about you from day one to the time you go missing. I don't use the word missing. To the time you left my life and seeing you again, it feels like you never left.
The time I left your life. What did
And
you do about it?
I feel like if you didn't care, you wouldn't have been here with me. Because like you said, you have other patients to take care of, and
I'll do that for just anybody, any other patient. That's my job. That's why I'm here.
You've helped give me another chance in life. Can we give us another chance? Hey, listen. Yeah, I know you took me out of your life completely, but fate has brought us together again.
You call this fate? You almost died.
Naya, you could have ignored me here. Someone else could have taken care of me. I feel there's something more to it. It might take time to get it back, but that's how I feel. I don't want you to live my life again. I'm serious.
No matter what they say, keep shining like you do.
Okay.
You're